Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin.
Today's episode is called Baking Without an Oven. Do you hear the call of freshly baked goods but find yourself ovenless? Not everyone has the space for an oven in their home. Whether you're a dorm dweller, a camper, or simply someone with a rebellious streak against conventional methods, baking without an oven opens up a world of culinary possibilities. So roll up your sleeves, don your chef's hat, and let's embark on a delicious journey where the only heat source you need is your imagination. Who needs an oven when you've got a hob or a stovetop? This trusty kitchen companion can do wonders for your baking endeavours. From fluffy pancakes to golden brown muffins, the stovetop is your gateway to oven-free bliss. Invest in a good quality skillet or frying pan, and you're halfway to becoming a stovetop baking maestro. Try my stovetop cookies for a quick, sweet treat. Ingredients: 1/3 of a cup of flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of butter or a substitute, 1/2 a tablespoon of white sugar, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/2 a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of water, 2/3 of a cup of oats, 1/2 a cup of raisins, and 1/2 a cup of chocolate chips. These can be left out for a healthier option. Directions: put all the dry ingredients into a bowl and mix. Add the wet ingredients and mix until well combined. If the mixture still seems a little dry, add a few more drops of water until you have a dough consistency. Chill the mixture for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Scoop 1 tablespoon of the dough into your hand and make it into a ball. Then flatten until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Place into a heated frying pan, there's no oil needed, and cook until brown. Gently flip it over and cook the other side. Remove and let them cool. The cookie will be very soft and prone to fall apart until it is cooled. so this is an important step. Once cooled, for a few minutes, and the cookie becomes firm, enjoy. If you thought steam was only for your facial spa days, think again. Steam baking is a game changer for oven-free bakers. All you need is a sturdy pot with a tight-fitting lid and a heat-resistant bowl or a mold to hold your batter. Simply place your creation in the pot, add a bit of water around the outside, cover it tightly, and let the magic of steam do its work. Voila! Moist and tender cakes and bread await you. Sans oven. Who says baking has to involve heat? No bake treats are the unsung heroes of the oven-free baking world. From decadent cheesecakes to indulgent truffles, the possibilities are endless. Whip up a batch of no-bake cookies for a quick sweet fix, or channel your inner pastry chef with a luscious no-bake tart. With no oven in sight, the only thing heating up will be your excitement. The microwave, champion of quick meals and saviour of hungry souls everywhere. But did you know it can also work wonders for your baking endeavours? That's right, your trusty microwave can whip up everything from mug cakes to crispy potato chips in a matter of minutes. It's fast, it's efficient, and best of all, it's oven-free. Check out my video on how to make a moist microwave chocolate mug cake in the written article. You can also adapt this recipe to cook on the hob. Mix all the ingredients together, add them to a frying pan, cook on a medium heat, constantly moving the batter until it's light and fluffy with some liquid mixture remaining. Put it in a container and enjoy. Calling all outdoor enthusiasts. Who says you can't enjoy fresh-baked treats in the great outdoors? With some creativity and aluminium foil, you can turn your campfire into a makeshift oven. Wrap up your dough or batter securely, place it near the coals but not directly on them, and let nature work its magic. Whether you're roasting marshmallows or baking campfire pies, the wilderness becomes your culinary playground. Baking without an oven isn't just about making do with what you have, it's about embracing the adventure and unleashing your creativity in the kitchen. So the next time you find yourself ovenless, don't despair. Take a cue from these oven-free baking techniques and let your imagination run wild. After all, the sweetest delights often come from the most unexpected places. Happy baking!
As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning, immerse yourself in a personalized language journey, and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.